kick.
Go get some bread. I don't think if they're hungry. Oh, they're coming now.
Chasing them away. After the bread.
They're
Yeah,
hungry.
Georgie,
They're
frozen bread.
hungry.
Yeah,
Look.
Have
They're
some bread.
hungry.
And again. And more, yeah.
Good girl.
Right, son, you've got to break it. You've got to make it small. Small pieces, that's it. Small pieces. Yeah, small pieces. That's too big. Go through. Make it smaller. That's it. Small pieces. Yeah, small pieces.
I love you all.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
You have a good day.
Have a good day.